So these guys have been doing fireworks for a while. Earlier I was recording and they said, "Hi YouTube." These are my neighbors. That's Joseph. Fine. That's not Joseph. Okay. So these guys are lighting. Oh shit. That's in the way. Woo! Say hi to YouTube. I got permission to do this, just so you know. This is Gia.
Hey guys, check on my video. It's called Gia, and then it says Araujo. That's my last name.
Araujo. Okay, so check out her channel, Gia Araujo. They're lighting
Another one.
Shoot! Here comes another. Oh, I should have done this. Dumb ways to die. So many dumb ways to die.
And I got my mom and dad's
Dumb
account.
ways to
And
die.
look at my mom and dad's account.
Dumb.
I'm making a new one.
Dumb.
Look at my mom.
Oh yeah, check out. I'm gonna do a shout out to my boy Gilbert Araujo at
Gmail.com.
at Savage GA.
Yeah.
Check out his channel. He does amazing PS4 videos, especially GTA and MBL.
And I got my mom and dad.
Okay, enough about you two. More about fireworks.
Look it. That's my mom and dad's. I'm gonna make a new one. So yeah. Watch it. Oh my goodness, that scared me. I almost died. I love it.
Look.
Are you sure of it? This one's been saved for 2 years. Now you got to put this one. Where you go? Hold on, let me show them the video first. Show them what we did in the Dude, this was inside the tube, right?
Go. Stop. So they're waiting on something. No cars, obviously. No cars. I have my flashlight on. So not only can you see, but I can do this to the cars. Okay? So see you in fireworks part 2.